YouTube, again, YouTube, Alpha Day Trading. You guys will see my screens, my scanners, my beautiful face. You'll hear my beautiful, really nice radio style voice. 105.5 The Alpha. And then basically, we're just going to get you guys prepared for the day. That's it. Get you guys prepared. Talk about my top stocks, why they are my top stocks. Give you guys my personal breakdowns, my game plans, and how I'm looking to make money in the market. Learn something, maybe apply this, take advantage, and maybe lock in some profits as well. All right. So I'll see you guys over on YouTube. Come on over. We are officially live at this point in time. Let's get it. And say good morning as well. As you guys are jumping on into YouTube, go ahead and say good freaking morning. I want to see everybody hit me with a big old good morning. All right, I'll see you guys over on YouTube. Take care. Have a good day. I'll see you back here tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, 8:30. YouTube, 9 o'clock. Yo, what's good with it, everybody over on YouTube? How we doing? And good morning. Good morning, everybody. Let's get it. Let's have a good day today, guys. Wellness for you. What's up? Miss Buttercream. I love the username, by the way. Miss Buttercream. Loving it. Brian, Mark, Glenn. What's good? Chris Coleman. How we doing? Happy terrific Thursday. I love it. I love it. All right. We will be diving into this here in a moment. Get it. Get it. You got to get hyped up. You got to beat. Oh, I did chest day yesterday. Don't beat your chest when you do chest day. All right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. What is going on? What's happening, traders? Welcome back to Alpha Nation, baby. Good freaking morning. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen inside the chat, how we all doing? Hit me with the big ol' Alpha Day Trading. Good morning. And happy Money Thursday. It's 9:02 a.m. on this beautiful 23rd of February, 2 days away from being dirty 30, and I'm excited for it. Not really. I'm a little depressed, actually. I'm just depressed, guys. I just said that I'll be 30 in 2 days. That just completely took my energy level from here way down here. All right, let's just dive into it today, guys. Let's just talk about the top stocks of today. Yeah. And yeah, so we'll probably just, start with Tesla. And we'll talk about the SPY here a little bit. Yeah, good morning, Rob. Catherine, how we doing? Hunter, George, Steve, Tony, Trader Adam. I'm sure we got some new members in chat right now. It's like, is this dude really depressed? Did he really just... Nah, I'm kidding. I'm happy for Dirty 30. Again, welcome back. Good morning, guys. And yeah, let's have another awesome day in the market. You guys been crushing it this week. Tuesday, Wednesday on freaking fire. A lot of you guys making some big time profits. We got some new members inside of chat as well. Let's show them a good time. Let's help them. Let's educate them. Let's help them get inside of profits chat. And lock in some profits with the rest of the team. That's my goal for everybody, is to see each and every one of you inside of Profits Chat, locking in those consistent profits in the market. We got another big day ahead of us, team. I'm really excited to see what the market has in store and just crush it like we've been crushing it the entire 2023. I mean, so far, 2023 has been hot. We've been on top of things. We've been dialed in. We've been locking in those big time profits. Let's keep that momentum going. The next 2 days of this week. I think we have 2 or 3 days of next week as well. Yeah, we got 2 days. So 4 days left. Let's make it the best 4 days of February. Goal, capital preservation, not give anything back, but still take some good quality trades and add to the bottom line. All right, and let's carry this momentum into March. All right, let's just keep doing what we've been doing best since we started this year, strong and profitable. All right, we're going to start with our penny stocks for today quickly, and then we'll dive into the stocks that really have my attention and really have my focus. All right. We're gonna run through these guys. And if you guys need a little bit more thoroughness, a little bit more detail, maybe a stock that you see that you think has good potential, just hit me up inside a chat with that ticker. And if you need it reviewed and you need some due diligence done, we'll do some DD. on the TA. All right. So I would say like ENVX, we'll be watching this one. The stock gapping up from around 828, hitting those highs of 1034. All right. Reported Q4 financial results. And the main reason I like this is where we're opening. You see where we're going to be opening above this resistance. There's a decent amount of resistance here between like that 924 level up to that high here, right around 940. And it's really close to that low, right around like 953. So if we actually gave this a little bit of like a window, right? Take a little gray box from that lower shadow into those multiple touches, you can see that there's a good deal of daily support, daily resistance. And look at what we did in post-market. We came into that gray box and just consolidated, broke out of it, pushed higher, just came back inside of it, and now we bounced as that's a nice little demand level, right? That's some support here. So I like where we're opening. I like that we're gapping up above that zone, above that level of daily support, daily resistance. So, and that tells me that we can definitely open on up and push to the upside here, right? Because we're opening up above that key level of resistance to where now we just have this big open window to push into our next major level of resistance, which will be up towards around, I would say like 1063, right? You can see it right here on the daily chart, right around 1063. So right now you're going to have like 945, 950 support. You're going to have some resistance around 10, a little bit of resistance there at that 1034 high, but I do believe we have potential to see this spike on up towards around 1063 here with ENVX today, right? ENVX needs to step it up. Definitely with the volume, and the float's a little large. But the one main thing that stood out to me is nearly 20% of the stock's float was short as of yesterday. The float is 120 million. That means, right, if that's 20% short flow on 120 million, that's about 24 million shares short. About 20 to 24 million shares short. We're only trading 1 million shares. There's a lot more shares out there that are currently short on a stock that is gapping up right now at this point in time, 20%. I would consider this a bit of a sleeper play, right? Right now it's sleeping. Not a lot of traders may be looking at it, but I see potential with this stock to really ramp up on the volume side of things. And then to top it off, 20% nearly of its float short, and it's 120 million in float. We could see some great decent movement to the upside today with ENVX. All right. And in a point in time, we break above that 1063 level, right? That 1063 level, we have potential up towards around, I would say 1292, right? Right around 1292. Give me 1 second. 1 sec. Yeah, I understand that the charts are blurry, guys. Can you hear me? As long as you can hear me right now on YouTube, that's all that matters. I understand that we have a blurry screen right now over on YouTube. We're making some modifications to the stream. This system's not the best, but I completely understand that it may be blurry. But as long as you can hear this and walk yourself through it, you're still getting the value. You're still getting prepared for the day, and you can still kind of see despite the blurriness. So again, check your resolution. Again, just bear with me, guys. All right. So anyway, where did we leave off besides a blurry screen topic? Yeah, so ENVX, that's what we got here with ENVX, right? We have some room up to that 1063, and if we ever break 1063, we could see this move on up towards around that 200 SMA, and that's going to put you right around like 13 to 1330, right? Right around 13 to 1330, right? VBLT stock right now is moving on up today. Shares are trading higher after the company and Notable Labs announced a definitive merger agreement. VBLT right now getting a nice little move from around $13 up towards around 22. So here are going to be your levels with VBLT, right? If you can stay above 20 cents, right? You got some decent support here at 20 cents. Look at that daily support here right around 20 cents. You have that spiking high right around 20 cents. That's going to be your best level of support with VBLT. As long as you stay above that level, you have potential to get up towards around 26 to 27 cents. And I think I just kept saying 20 bucks, 20 cents. You guys get it. So 20 cent support here with VBLT. You could have resistance between that pre-market high right around 25 cents up towards around these daily highs of 27 cents. Now, the reason I wanted to bring this to your attention is if we break that 27, 28 cent level, right? Look at how much room we have to the upside with VBLT, right? We gapped down massively at like 46 cents and we just dumped. We bounced on up, and the swing high that we put in was at 27 cents. If we break 27 cents, that tells me we have a clear window of opportunity to squeeze all the way up to the high of the gap down, right? Because we gapped down massively from like $2 to 47 cents, and that was the high of the gap down, right? So that's exactly where I think we could see this thing go if it gets the volume, if it really gets the attention, if it really gets the hype. Over that 28 cent level, this thing could really start to move on up and squeeze, again, up towards around 47 cents. So keep VBLT on watch. And then lastly, I know a lot of you guys are probably going to be watching LUNR, right? LUNR, this stock, pretty much out of nowhere, massive squeeze yesterday from 40 cents all the way, or I'm sorry, from $40 all the way to 136. Absolutely massive mover yesterday with LUNR. Curious to see if we come down and hold above this 74-ish level of support, right? Give me one sec, guys. So, LUNR. Curious to see if we hold above this $75 level of support, right? Because we had a lot of resistance right around 74 yesterday. You can see here before we had that massive break. We came down here on post-market and bounced. That's going to be supports right now at this point in time here with LUNR. And if we can hold above that level today, we could absolutely see buyers really step back in and this thing squeeze nicely to the upside. All right. So where could we see the stock go? All right. Where could we see the stock go? We could see LUNR. Nice little move up towards around, I would say like 89.64, right? We had a lot of support here before we pushed on up to those 136 highs. So I would say like $89 would be a really, really nice target. And then just really target a lot of these levels from yesterday, right? This lower shadow here at 93.62 would be a level. Up towards around 101.99 would be a level. And then so on and so forth. Let's go ahead and shut down the YouTube this morning, guys. It's a little distractive. There's a lot of individuals there. Just let's go ahead and shut that down if we don't mind, and we'll restart.